video. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this performance of this phone, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, peace out.